Hello everybody, welcome to Shandong Group. Today we visited Shandong Group. This is Shandong Group office building. Here have more than 100 employees. This is National High Tech Enterprise. Now let's see. This is Shandong Group development history from 1999. Dream Cell, the first mini excavator is official of the line. Then 2022 overseas layout vigorously implement the global partnership strategy based on Japan and China. This is Shandong Group factory. Let's we see every product. This is on-ton series mini excavator. This is the assemble of mini excavator. This is wheel pad excavator. There are also two busy loaders. This is 3-ton excavator series.